graduate lang ng grade 6, hindi ba? Andrea, congratulations.
Andrea! Congratulations, kagagraduate mo lang daw.
Thank you po.
Kasi kahit busy siya sa kanyang pag-taping, nagagawa pa rin niyang mag-aral, hindi ba? At yun ang dapat talaga. Di ba, Andrea?
Aba, sige, game.
At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the love inside your eyes. Tonight, you and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Yun lang po.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Thank you.